So hi friends, welcome to our channel Educator's Point. Now this channel is useful for all types of competitive exams you can prepare. Whether you prepare for banking, SSC, railway, any type of competitive exams you can prepare. But especially focus on banking, but I can assure you after watching my all videos, those videos are very useful for any type of competitive exams. Now you are responsible to subscribe our channel and press the bell icons. When I upload my videos, you will get the notifications fast. And I can request to join my Telegram channel. In my Telegram channel, I daily upload the Hindu news and also the PDF of some each questions from daily topic like directions and any type of reasoning topic or any type of math topic. And if you have doubt regarding any topic, you can also mention it in my comment section or also ask me in my Telegram channel. Now in my previous class, I have already discussed some basic concepts about the direction. Now in this class, we will discuss the latest pattern exam based questions of the direction. So I hope and I request all of you to watch this video completely, and if you like it, if you watch this video, if you like it, then share it with your friends. So let's start. So our first question is, the 8 pillars are arranged in a certain way, in any type of way. Now the first question is, A is 12 meter west of B, G is 3 meter north of F, C is 10 meter west of D. Now after reading each sentence, we will plot the diagram, and after completing the diagram, we can solve any type of questions that are asked. So first is, A is 12 meter west of B. Now if we consider the B, suppose consider this is B is here, suppose this is B and this is A, suppose, and this is 12 meter, this is 12 meter. After that, C is, now read the instruction completely. After that, here is mentioned that is C is 8 meter north of B. Now here is B. Suppose we consider this is 8 meter, that is C. This is what? This is 8 meter. Now after that, C is 10 meter west of D. Here is mentioned that is C is 10 meter west of D. Now suppose this is 10. Sorry, this is 10 meter. Suppose this is 10 meter and this is D. Now D, which is 5 meter south of B, and this is this is south, this is E, this is 5 meter. Now D is in the south of E and which is at a distance of 5 meter. We can plot the diagram. After that, where is mentioned E? Now E is 24 meter east of F. E is 24 meter east of. Now here is 10, 12. The total is 22. Now we plot the F from this direction, because F is 24 meter east of F. Sorry. That is in this direction. This is F and total is 24 meter. After that, if G is 3 meter north of F, G is 3 meter north of F. Now suppose this is 3 meter, this is 3 meter and this is G, this is 3 meter. After that, H is exactly between E and F. Now suppose H is exactly between E, then this is 12 meter and this is 12 meter. Now just have to remember that now this is 10 and we have to consider the distance 12. That means we just have to consider the point A is exactly just behind the point C. Otherwise, how can we consider the distance 12? Because the 10 is mentioned here. We just have to plot the diagram carefully. After that, we can solve the questions easily. Now here is the diagram. After that, we can mention a type of question. Now for the question, first the question is, what is the shortest distance between H and D? What is the distance between H and D? Shortest distance means we have to connect from the initial position to the final position, that is from H to D. We have to connect here. So we have to find out this distance. So how can we find it? Now this is 12 means if we connect this, this is 12 means the total is 12. Now this is 5 means the total is 5. So we can find out this distance according to the Pythagoras theorem. Now this is a right angle triangle, that means according to Pythagoras theorem, that is 12 square plus 5 square root over, that means what? That means 144 plus 25 root over, that is what? That is equal to 169 root over, that is equal to 13. So answer is what? Answer is 13. That is option number A. This is answer is 13. Now pillar is in which direction with respect to E? Now with respect to E, the A is in which direction? Now we consider this is west and this is south. Now if you connect A to E, that is exactly between the south and west. So that is, this is what? This is southwest. So answer is southwest. Now The answer is what? That is option number E. This is the southwest. So I hope you clearly understood this question. Now you can solve any type of question by observing these steps carefully. You just have to plot each diagram after reading each sentence. Now to plot the diagram carefully, what type of distance is mentioned and in which distance also distance is mentioned. We just have to plot the diagram according to it. Now moving to the question number 2. Now this type of question is specially asked in the banking mains exam. Now here are some symbol based direction in this question. We just have to observe these symbols and then we plot the diagram carefully. After that we can solve any type of the questions. And the first question is, first we have to read the instruction. The instruction is A star B. That means what? That means B is 1 meter east of A. Now A at the rate B, that means B is 1 meter west of A. A hash B, that means B is 1 meter south of A. A percentage B, that means B is 1 meter north of A. And A exclamatory mark B, that means B is 2 meter east of A. After reading this sentence, now the question is if M at the rate N. So according to the symbol we plot the diagram. Now if M at the rate means what? M at the end means N is 1 meter west of M. Now we consider the point M is here. Suppose this is M. Now N is 1 meter west of M. Now this is suppose 1 meter. This is 1 meter and this is N. Now after that this part is complete. Now N percentage Q. N percentage Q means what? That means Q is 1 meter north of N. So Q is 1 meter. This is 1 meter north of N. This is Q. After that Q exclamatory mark Y. That means what? That means Y is 2 meter east of Q. Now this is 1 meter. That means this is 2 meter. This is Y suppose and this is 2 meter. After that Y star W. Y star W means what? That means W is in the east of Y and at a distance of 1 meter. That means this is this is W and this is 1 meter. This is W and this is 1 meter. Now after plotting the diagram completely, now you can answer the question easily. Then in which distance N with respect to W. Now W is here, the W is here and N is here. Now this is in the west direction and this is in the south direction, and if you connect N to W, that means exactly lies between west and south. That means so that means southwest. Now here is southwest, so our answer is what? Our answer is southwest, but there is the southwest is not in the option, so our answer is what? Our answer is none of this. The none of this is the correct answer here. So answer is none of this. Now moving to the second question, that is if C star T, T hash E at the rate of hash A. Now we have to complete this question. After that we can easily solve this question. Now just can erase it. Now moving to the second question, that is C star T. C star T means what? That means T is 1 meter east of C. Now if we consider C is here, suppose this is T, this is 1 meter. After that T hash A. T hash A means what? That means E is the south of T. Now suppose this is E and this is 1 meter, this is south of T, and E at the rate F. E at the rate means what? That means F is the west of E. F is the west of E and this is 1 meter. After that F hash J. That means what? That means J is the 1 meter south of F and J is 1 meter south of F. This is 1 meter. After that J exclamatory mark K. That means what? That means K is in the 2 meter east of J. That means K is in the 2 meter east of J. Sorry, K is in the 2 meter east of J. Suppose this is 2 meter. Now our diagram is complete. Now our diagram is complete. We can answer the question easily. Then in which distance T with respect to K? Now K is here. Now K is here and T is here. Now with respect to K, where is T? That means now this part is north and this part is west, and if you connect T to K, that means the axis is exactly lies between the north and west. That means in the northwest. So our answer is what? The answer is northwest. Now here is the answer. That means option number D. The answer is northwest. This is the answer. In this way you can solve any type of question. And this type of symbol based question are mainly asked in the mains exam and very frequently asked in the preliminary exam. Now moving to, I hope you clearly understood this question. Now moving to the question number 3. Now here is the question number 3, that is Shivani covers 15 km distance by walking from point R to S. Now after reading each sentence we can complete the diagram. Now from point R to S in the south direction. Now if we consider the point R here, suppose this is point R. Now point R to south S in the south direction. That means Shivani moves from point R to S in the south direction at a distance of 15 km. Now this is the 15 km distance. Now after this it took a left turn and walks 24 km to reach point Q. Now this part is what? This part is left turn in this direction. Now this Shivani moves 24 km to reach the point Q. Now after this he again took a left turn. Now after reaching the point Q, now upper part is left and lower part is right. Now he again took a left turn and covered 8 km to reach point T. Now this is 8 km to reach point T. Now after walking 6 km towards east from point T, she is at point 2. Now after that she took a final turn. That means this is 6 meter. Suppose this is 6 meter. After that this is U 6 meter and she took a final left turn. After that she took a left turn. Now upper part is what? After reaching the point 2, the upper part is left and the lower part is right. Now she again took a final left turn and covered 5 km to reach point B. Now after reaching point U, she again moved 5 km because 8 and 5, this is, sorry, that is this, suppose this is 5 km to reach point B. Now this is point B and this is point U. This is 5. Now 8, 5, 13 and here is 15. That means we can plot the we can plot the line is exactly smaller than this line, because is 8 plus 5 is 13 km. Now after plotting the diagram carefully, we can answer the question easily. Now that is, what is the direction of B with respect to R? Now where is R? Now here is R, and where is B? And here is B. Now the R is just in the upper direction of B. That means if we consider with respect to R, B is in which direction? Now this part is north and this part is west, and the answer is what? That means the point, if you connect R to B connect, that means the point lies between the north and west. That means answer is northwest. The answer is northwest. If it assumes like it is west, but it is in the northwest, because here is 15 and here is 5 plus 8, that is called to 13 km. Now the second question, what is the shortest distance between the direction of U with respect to Q? Now what is the shortest distance between U and Q? And with respect to Q, first we can consider the direction. Now here is the Q and here is the U. With respect to Q, U is in which direction? U is in, because this is the east and this is the north. Now U is in the which direction? The answer is northeast. Answer is northeast. Second answer is northeast. And what is the distance? Now here is 8 and here is 6, and this distance is what? This distance is according to Pythagoras theorem, that is 8 square plus 6 square root over, that is 64 plus 36 root over, that is equal to 10. So answer is what? So answer is 10. Sorry, I'm extremely sorry for my inconvenience. Now this is 10, so answer is 10. That means answer is what? The answer is 10 km in the northeast direction. The answer is 10 km in northeast. This is the answer. So I hope you clearly understood these 3 questions. Now in this way you can solve any type of question, direction based question in the main exam. And if you have doubt regarding this topic, you can also ask me any type of questions in my comment section and also in my Telegram channel. Now if you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe our channel and press the bell icons so that you can get the latest notification fast. So that's for it. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.